Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this video, we will learn different types of relationships in Power BI. We will review one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, many-to-many relationship. We have products as Table 1, price as Table 2, purchase as Table 3, invoice as Table 4. Let's look at our data in each table. In the Invoice ID table we have date, invoice ID, and customer name. In the Price table we have product ID and product price. In the Products table we have product ID and product name. In the Purchase table we have date, product ID, and customer name. The first type of relationship is one-to-one. In this type of relationship, each record in a column of first table will have only one similar record in the column of second table. To create one-to-one relationship, drag and drop the column from one table to another. I will drag product ID from products table to price table. We have created a one-to-one relationship. Double-click on the relation to open the Edit Relationship window. In this window we can see that the first table selected is Products and column selected is Product ID. The second table selected is Price and column selected is Product ID. We have one-to-one relation already selected. That's how we created one-to-one relation between two tables using the same column Product ID. The second type of relationship is one-to-many. In this type of relationship, each record in a column of first table will have multiple records in the column of second table. To create one-to-many relationship, drag and drop the column from one table to another. I will drag product ID from price table to purchase table. We have created a one-to-many relationship. Double-click on the relation to open the Edit Relationship window. In this window we can see that the first table selected is Purchase and column selected is Product ID. The second table selected is Price and column selected is Product ID. We have many-to-one relation already selected. That's how we create one-to-many relation between two tables using the same column Product ID. The third type of relationship is many-to-one. In this type of relationship, multiple records in a column of first table will have one record in the column of second table. To create many-to-one relationship, drag and drop the column from one table to another. I will drag product ID from purchase table to price table. We have created a many-to-one relationship. Double-click on the relation to open the Edit Relationship window. Here we can see that the cardinality relationship is set to many-to-one. Now, if we want to convert this to one-to-many, I will exchange my first and second table. This will convert the relationship to one-to-many. The product ID is the common column in both the tables. The final type of relationship is many-to-many. In this type of relationship, multiple records in a column of first table will have multiple corresponding records in the column of second table. To create many-to-many relationship, Drag and drop the column from one table to another. I will drag customer name column from invoice table to purchase table. We have created a many-to-many relationship. We can see the customer name is the common column in both tables. Each table has multiple records of the same customer name. When you have multiple records of same entity within tables, then no other relationship can be created. Only many-to-many relation can be created. We have now created many-to-many relationship. Cross-filter direction in edit relationship helps us to set the direction of filter between two tables. In the edit relationship window, we can set filter direction between the two tables. When we switch it to single filter first option, where the invoice ID, filter the purchase table. Then the invoice ID table will filter the purchase table. The arrow shows us the direction of filter. If we select the second single option where purchase filters invoice ID, then the purchase table will filter the invoice ID table. The arrow shows us the direction of filter. In cross-filter direction, we have option for both where both table behave as a single table and both tables can filters each other. The arrows represent the direction of filter in both directions. Once a relationship is created, and if we have to delete the relationship, then right-click on the cross-filter arrow, and then select Delete from the drop-down. From the Delete Relationship pop-up window, click on Yes. I will now delete all the relationships. Auto Detect is a feature in Power BI where Power BI can automatically detect the relationship between tables. To use this feature, in the Data Modeling canvas, click on the Manage Relationship icon at the top of the ribbon. This will open a Manage Relationship pop-up window. Click on the Auto Detect icon. Now Power BI has identified these two relationships. Let's close this window. Power BI auto-detected these two relationships but did not detect the third many-to-many relation. We have to create this relation manually. I will drag and drop the customer name column to create the third relationship. Woohoo! We learned everything about relationship in minutes. You now know everything about Power BI relationship. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and get regular updates.